Hello everyone, welcome to Groovy Tech Academy. This is your host Abdul Majid Magrio, and today we are going to learn how to get header parameters in Mulesoft. So let's get started. This is our endpoint studio. Going to file, new, create a new project. Let's name it like get header parents. Finish enter, like finish, hit enter. Okay, so we got our project created. So first of all, we need a listener. So we will add HTTP listener. You can refer to my previous videos where I have explained how to configure and call and expose the endpoint using HTTP listener. So we will just create the configurations, and here the default port is like 8081, and the default host is like local host. So we are going to leave everything as default. Press OK. And here we will define the name of our service. Let's name it like get header info. So this will be our the name of our service which we are exposing. Okay, and after that let's add a transformation, and we can say like welcome to space append, and like for instance in the postman, if we have an attribute here in the header like or channel name, like for instance this is our key, and the value is like Groovy Tech Academy. Okay, so for instance this is what we are getting from the header. So we want to pick this entry, this key. So for that we are supposed to get use this attribute dot header. So what will happen, like we are referring to attributes like whatever call we are making. So throughout that we are going to get the attributes dot header, and then the name which we need. So that's channel name. So that's over here. Okay, so this is what like welcome to, and the value which we are getting from the header. Let's save this API. So we are good to go. Like we have created the listener, and then we have also getting the value from the header, and we have also appended welcome note to that. Once again, like this was the name of our API, the name of the service we are exposing. Let's wait it to be deployed. Just ignore this error sometime gives, but this is going to work fine. So our API is deployed. Let's clear the logs. Let's try to call this, and the name of our API is like get header information, and we already put this channel name and this. So let's try to run it. Okay, so we got the response like welcome to Groovy Tech Academy. So this is the same thing which we just passed, and we got the response like this for the text which is appended to that, this one. So this is how we are going to get the values from the headers. So folks, this was all here. Please try to subscribe and follow up the latest videos. Thank you very much. Bye.